What's up, guys? I'm still trying to figure out how to use this program, but looks like we're doing pretty good here. Let's see, still learning, so give me a break. But you guys are watching IMG here on the chart. IMG just had a beautiful move. I mean, it just moved beautifully. I just picked up some money on this, so that was good. But you can see it's respecting the volume weighted average price. It did break down, but it came right back up. Respect, respect, respect. Traded sideways here, little consolidation, broke down back to volume weighted average price, and then it took off. And I took up some more shares. This has got more room. I think this can move a little bit more here. So we'll see. But I think we've got some more room here. Now, I will tell you guys this was on the watch list, so hopefully you guys caught that. Hopefully the volume's okay. Trying to figure out here where my chat is on this thing so I can go ahead and there it is. There's the chat. Okay, perfect. Just want to make sure you guys can hear me. I don't know if it's coming through clearly or what, but let me see. If you guys are on the chat, that'd be cool. If you guys can let me know. What's up, Night Owl? Good morning. Let me know if you can hear me okay. Is the stream clear? How's it coming through? I see you're on. Oh, man. I see you're on YouTube. Sounds great. Perfect. Okay, and you can see it clearly? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yep, awesome. Well, this is cool. So I created this here for you guys so it's nice and clear. Hopefully you can see it really well. But yeah, so this is a nice bull flag right here. That's what that is. Um, let's see, this one here, CMCT. This is one that I screwed up with this morning. I jumped in, I alerted it over here on the Discord. I got in up here and then it just tanked. I ended up taking a $200 hit on it, but I made my money back on which one was that? On what am I at? Okay. On IMG and what else did I make it back on? IMG and there was something else. I just can't remember right now. I'm having a brain fart. Oh, Foxo, FOXO. So IMG and FOXO. Let me let people know that I'm live on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. All right. I hope everybody's making money and I hope I can last. We'll see. My chest has been kind of bugging me today, so we'll see. All right, but we have IMG doing a nice move as well. It's at 39 right now. So you can go back to IMG here. So that's a beautiful move. What else we got? Yeah, I just happened to be on. LOL. That's funny. That's good. That's good that you're on. Like I said, I'm still trying to get all this worked out and figured out. I've never used Restream before. I've never streamed to multiple platforms, but hopefully this works out and we can do this for a little bit. I also thought that I'd start doing some trainings, some training videos, and uploading them up to the website just so you guys can see. Let's see what else. What else we got? I mean, because I think that's overall, I think that's how the group's going to grow. The group's going to grow, and that's how we're gonna grow. It's a team effort, right? All right, let's see what we got here. CMCT still looks like it's consistently trying to break through this nine bucks, get to $10 here. So right now it is 4:14 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. I've been battling it out. I've been chit chatting with Cree, and hopefully we can continue to find some stuff that's moving. Okay, I've got people sending me messages on on Discord. I got people sending me messages on other things here. Let me get into my little stock monitor here. Yeah, I made $94 on Foxo, FOXO, and I made, let's see here, and I made $86 on CMCT. So we're almost back. Almost back to normal. All right, come on, stock monitor. Give me something good. All right. So we have, let's see, NBIS popped up. BTOG's messing around. Let's see what BTOG's doing. Not that. So here's BTOG. It's at 39.96. How's the volume looking? We got 1.33 million. The float's 57, and the average is 37. So that is still weak volume, not anything to be excited about. Okay, so let's see. So it looks like everything's streaming. So we got streaming on YouTube, streaming on Facebook, and TikTok saying sending data. Okay, so I think that's working. I'd love to know because, I can't really see the comments for some reason from TikTok or anything. I see them from YouTube. Maybe we'll just switch everything over to YouTube and Discord. I think that's where we're gonna do, possibly. You know what? I can do this right here. There we go. That'll make it easier. I can keep my eyes on the screen. Close my phone, connect here. There we go. All right. ASPN. Wow. Look at that. Oof. That just hurt looking at it. Ah. Wow. PGY. Yeah, PGY is too expensive. PGY is in the 30s already. 36. PTON. That's crazy. This thing, not sure why it dumped so hard. Press release reports. Looks like it's maybe your earnings. What is this? Sarah report financial results. Okay. What's up, Mark? Did I miss IMG? Yeah, you kind of did. You kind of did. Well, if you got the watch list, then you would have caught it. Um, that's for sure. Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark. Did you fall asleep? Did you oversleep? Look, man, this was on the watch list. This was a ripper. I actually had to give more price targets on it, as you can see. So this little box here, that was the entry. That was the entry. It ripped up to 39, took a break, and then back to ripping. Sorry, man. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but it did pretty good. Mark, what do you think of the live stream? How do you like it? Was waiting on it, didn't want to go in too early. Oh, gotcha, Nick. Right on, right on. No worries. That's the hey, I mean, honestly, if you're paying attention to the charts and you're being patient, you're doing the right thing. That's 100%. I won't ever fault anyone for holding back. Now, I will have to say that sometimes when you're watching your stock move and you're hesitant, make sure you're paying attention to where the volume weighted average price is. Above it's usually good. It usually means that the bulls are in control. Below it, you got the bears. The bears are in control. Here, as you can see, it spiked really hard, came back down, spiked again, and then it started doing the stair steps down. Well, it finally found its floor. It didn't quite get back to where it started, which is pretty amazing. And right back up over volume weighted average price. Right here, I was watching. This is an inverted head and shoulder pattern right here. I'll zoom in on it right here. Didn't work out yet. Came down, did a double bottom, back up to resistance. Resistance was 38 cents there. And then traded sideways. And finally it decided to just say, screw it, I'm done. And that's what you really want. Yeah, I got you going on the big screen TV. That's awesome. Yo, what's up, Risky? Good morning. That's awesome. That is cool. Oh, Dina, rapid decrease, 7.74%. Let's go. I'm looking around, guys. I'm trying to find something to move here. Not really seeing much at the moment. It's been a little weird. The month has been a little weird. BKT, BKKT, what is Japanese Bitcoin acquisition? BKKT. All right, so it moved a little bit. 3 month, yeah, volume's crap. Volume's crap on it. DUOO. I think I fixed the volume problem that we were having with the mics. Can you guys hear me okay? Like, is it clear? Anything possibly grabbed today? Nick, yeah, I'm looking, man. Right now, I'm looking for something good. VITL has earnings. VITL. There's VIT too expensive, but rocking. SYM. Let's see. Ugh, God. Oh, too expensive, man. What are these expensive stocks popping up for? XELB. All right, this has got potential. XELB has potential. So we're at 108,000 volume. Average volume's 540,000. Free float's 1.45. So there might be some potential here. This was from what, yesterday. That was the entry for yesterday for the price target to hit 184. It didn't obviously, but looks like today it's starting to move again. So this one goes away. These lines here are still very adequate, but we'll keep looking. That volume's still got to pick up. We're only at 109 on XELB. Great sound on the live. Perfect. Played CMCT this morning, missed seeing the volume pump and sold early than I should have. Risky, I got trashed by it. I got trashed by it. I jumped in I want to say around like $10, and I missed my sell on it just by a hair, and yeah, I lost $200, but I made it back already with IMG and FOXO. Now FOXO, that was a fun one to watch. We'll circle back to XELB. It looks like it's just kind of hanging out right now, but FOXO was a good little mover today. There's my price targets there. This is a 30-minute chart. As you guys can see, I priced it out. I ran it pretty good on the Discord. When I alerted it on the Discord, yeah, it was actually perfect. Yeah, TikTok is working. Awesome. Thanks, guys. That's funny. So on the Discord, I alerted FOXO at 14.8 to 15.5. I said it was going to hit take profit 17 cents, take profit 18 and a half, and then take profit 21. So it hit 18.9 right here. And then I said I saw I saw a head and shoulder pattern form. So this is your shoulder right here. Here's your head and here's the other shoulder. I drew this line because once it broke this line was the reasoning that I thought, okay, well, it's going to drop if it breaks this. And the reason I did that is because it's kind of like a neckline right here. This is a sideways neckline. And it broke and it broke and it continued to break. Consolidation and more break. So on the Discord, I believe I said it had to hold VWAP, which was about 16.8. It didn't, and I said it's coming down about 15.5, and there it is. The magic 8 ball is correct. Craig question mark. Um, Not sure. I haven't looked at Craig for a minute. Let's see. What's in here? Where the hell are you? There it is. Let's see. Yeah, Craig broke down. Craig crapped out. Didn't quite get to where we needed it to. But that's also on the watch list why I put stop losses. And those stop losses are very adequate. Very adequate. Got to keep them. Got to pay attention to those. This red line, that was the stop loss right there. 205. If you got in here at anywhere between, 213 and 223, and it dropped down 205, because you see where the volume weighted average price is, right? Like that's, again, that's very important. And look, this is how I know that the bulls are not in control, and this is how I know that this is a bearish stock right now, is because it can't get through the volume weighted average price. Okay, so what's next? Where's it going next is always the question. Well, it's holding on right now. If it can't hold on to this 185, it's going to probably come down to 173, maybe more, 169. And you've got right here 151, and then possibly back to the 40s. You see that little fair value gap down here? Yeah, it's probably going to come back down to that. Oh man, this one hurt me. Craig hurt me. Oh, it hurt me. It took $40,000 away from me back in the day I will never forget Craig. All right, let's keep on looking here. All right, so as I've told my Discord, basically I'm gonna do the live on here for a little while, and then I'm gonna jump back into the Discord, and I'll finish the Discord, the live on the Discord. Again, I'm trying to just raise some awareness here for you guys. Get the community growing some more. It's a little slow. MOGO. MOGO. MOGO and IMNN. There's MOGO. Cool. There's a 30-minute. Pumped and dumped. Wow. Okay. 7.4. Nope, that's super low volume. Only 7,000 shares. That's nothing. What's the news? Do they have earnings or something? Reports positive net income and strong growth in wealth and payments in Q2. Okay, let's see. Let's check that. MOGO. Can you guys hear the music as well? Or is it just me? This computer is wicked. It's got like voice isolation and stuff, and I had to mess with that a little bit. It says strong growth. That was 2 minutes ago. They reported strong growth. MOGO. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. Okay. All right. So no music on the Discord or on the stream. Okay. Well, I mean, I think YouTube frowns on using certain music anyway, but that's okay. I know a lot of you are just here for the music. No, I'll have to work on that. I think if I play it through my computer, I think I can get it in there. Yeah. Just as long as the picture's clear and I can and you guys can hear me okay, then I think we're all right. I want to get into something. Don't see much going on though. Debating about this MOGO. It needs more volume. Let's see, what's the book value on this thing? Let's go Yahoo Finance. Cool. Yahoo Finance is now available in dark mode. Awesome. All right, let's see what the book value on this thing is. $284. $284. That's what it says its book value is. On MOGO. 3 minutes ago, they had their 3 minutes. Now, probably more like 5 now. You know, and actually, sometimes some people prefer not having any music because they can, focus a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it helps me. I've got music playing right now, but the reason I got it playing is because I'm trying to um, keep my head straight on. Oh, careful with MOGO. It's a HC Wainwright company. Yep. They're saying a price target of $4. They said that a month ago. So be careful. Let's see, are there any offerings scheduled? I don't see any. I don't see any offerings. Oh, MOGOs. That's a 6K. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's see. All right. Still doesn't matter. Needs more volume. Doesn't have volume right now. 2 days ago, they said that their Mogo monetizes 13.8 million of WonderFi stake and increases Bitcoin holdings. So as you guys have noticed, a lot of these companies are Bitcoining it up and talking Bitcoin and stuff. All right, gotta find something good. All right, AGRI is getting to a little point of resistance here. 425. If it breaks 425, you're good. This is AGRI. 425 is its spot there. Do they have something that came out? What's going on? AGRI. Whoops. All right, let's go. Yep. Let's go. All right, so going back to that 30, I'm in. I just bought 100 shares. I think it can possibly get up to 492. AGRI. All right, let me price this thing out here. I gotta look some stuff. As you guys can see, I'm already in it at 411. I'm sorry, I'm in it at 420. Why the hell did it buy me so high? Whatever, doesn't matter. Let's see here. Volume's 1.34 million. Let's see, average volume is 265. 265,000. So it's pretty good. It's building a lot of volume. That's good. Free float's low. It's a micro float, under a million. I'm chilling with this thing right now. All right, what's the VWAP? Man, I gotta get my eyes checked. My eyes are tripping out. VWAP's 340. Oh man, it cost me 20 bucks right now. 1, 2, come on back. Tell me that's not a double top. There's volume weighted average price right there. Yep. Let's just set this here at 492. Sell 492. That's where I'm gonna try to sell this thing. There we go. 492. There's my sell. We'll see what happens. You guys can watch. AGRI. So I try to make it nice and clear so you guys can see it up here. Try to make sure you guys can see the L2 and the time and sales. Hopefully that helps you guys out. All right, let's see. So currents, wow, almost 2 mil. It's 435. Oh man. Oh. So hopefully that's not a double top there. It kind of looks like one. So hopefully she builds more bullish pressure here. I didn't go crazy on the amount of shares that I took. I took 100 shares. Just not bad. I don't want it to break 379. 379 would be rough. It looks like it's coming down though. That does look like a double top. This could have been a little pump and dump. It is below volume weighted average price now. Volume average price was 396. So we'll see what happens. Let's see here. Stay up. Hold on there. Message after message. It's cool. Oh man, come on. Yeah, I got in a little high. All right. Still looking, guys. Look at that, down $51. This thing's coming down. I think I'll cut it if it drops below this 350 right here. I have 100 shares, so it's not that much. Still sucks, but hoping it turns around here. Hoping and pleading, right? That's not how you trade. Hopefully we've got a little hammer here, a confirmation candle here, and then we get back over volume weighted average price and we move back up. I'm debating on getting in a little bit more shares now that it dropped down here. That'll average me down probably to about here, where I wanted to be. I wanted to be around that 404. But I'm not doing anything until this gives me confirmation that it's going to continue to save me some money, right? The volume's good, 209. Now I'm curious how I get to see all the other comments and stuff. Let's see, profile. Let's see, does it show me live right now? It does show me live, so that's cool. That's awesome. Oh yeah, it is very clear. Look at that. Wow, that's sweet, actually. Yo, what's up, Killer Whale? See, I didn't see that. Let me mute this though. Let me see. I don't see these comments on Restream. Yo, what's up, Captain George? Yeah, good morning. Good morning, guys. Wow, look at that. Yeah, sweet. Okay, this is interesting. So yeah, so I'm watching AGRI right now. I'm in it. I got 100 shares. I got it up here like a dope. I thought it was breaking out and it didn't. It bought me in a little higher than I wanted. Um, so I'm thinking that this is going to get back up to volume weighted average price. And we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I'm probably going to cut it if it gets down to 350. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But if you guys are here on TikTok and you're watching this, I'm also streaming this on YouTube. So I'm gonna slowly try to make my way away from TikTok. If you guys want to try YouTube. So we've got this stream here. I just created this new thing we got going here, and then we've got this one here where just watching a number of things here. So hopefully, I know that this one's a little bit wider, so you guys can't see it as good as you can the other one. That's why I made this second scene right here to where you guys can actually see it. And there is a slight delay for TikTok, I've noticed. That switch that I just did between those two scenes, there's about a 5-second lag. So hopefully that's not affecting you guys too much. But that is awesome. All right, let's get back to it. Dang, fall off a cliff much? Jesus. How's TRUG doing? AGRI still just kind of hanging out. I'm hesitating to either buy shares or sell. Buy or sell. One or the other. Thoughts on what's up, Abu Adam? Thoughts on CMCT? Well, I mean, micro float got a lot of movement. Here's CMCT. Right now it looks good. Just did a double bottom here off of the volume weighted average price just below it. Threw up a nice big bull flag. It's got a lot of selling pressure around 10 bucks. A lot of selling pressure. It's a micro float, so be very careful. Sudden drops and movement. I mean, sudden drops, which I got caught in. I got caught in this right here. So, if it can break this 1020, then you'll probably get a new high. You'll probably get back to 11. Here we go. Let's see. Is it gonna do it? Do it. Come on, do it. Just do it, eh? Let's go, guys. This is cool. This is cool. I think it's working out. I think it is. I think it is. It's 450, so I think I'm gonna maybe do this for, I don't know, maybe 20 more minutes, and then I'll probably hop on over to the Discord and do the rest of it there. Do it. What's up, Cree? What up, girl? You dancing? I gotta get some music going for you. This is unfortunate not having music for you. I don't know. Let's go back into here. Let's see if it's gonna mess anything up if I turn on the music. I know Cree's gotta have her music. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Keep testing the top. Oh man, AGRI's just not doing it. She's at 360 AGRI. See, and that's why you got to pay attention. You got to pay attention to these things, these double tops right here. You know, right there, one top, two top, and it took a shit. I'm still holding, still holding. I'm down 60 cents right now. Fucking hell. Stupid. It makes the stock swiggle. Yeah, right? All right, let's see if we can get some music going here for you, Cree. Oh, I wonder if that's the problem. Okay. That one's dead. This one's alive. Johnny Five's alive. Yeah, I can do that on here. Curious how it's gonna come out though. Come on, AGRI. Get your little butt up there. All right, so let's see. Where's my music? There's my music. Do 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 do. Can you guys hear it now? IMG broke out. Nice. Okay, cool. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. Where's my Discord? I know I posted new price targets on IMG this morning. Sure did. It just hit. It hit 41, hit 45. It just hit. Price target starting from 32 all the way up to 45. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. That was easy. Let's go. Yeah.
Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it's pain, sometimes it's tears. Stay in the game. It only takes a moment to decide that I'm gonna be a winner from now and for the rest of my life. Just one more rep, one more hour, one more step. Will ensure success. From now I won't settle. From now on, it's only gold medal. I know it's possible to do the impossible. I know that losing isn't logical. I'm conditioned to win, committed to discipline, and to be better day in, day out, no doubt. So tell my enemies I'm more than ready. You hear me? I've got a bigger why, I'm more than hungry. I'm war ready when I step onto the field, the ring or the workplace. I'm only stepping up for first place. Until I win, I don't stop. I never settle. I refuse to give up. Win at all costs. This ain't a small time. This is the bigger league. This is my time. Win at all costs. It's not about luck. It's not about hope. It's a mindset. Win at all costs. I know that talent means nothing. When it's the only thing I'll be discussing. Win at all costs.
Not hear you at all. You can't hear me. Oh, the music's too loud.
Win at all costs.
How about now? That's good enough. Still getting used to this whole thing, so you guys let me know. Is that better? Way too loud. Okay, sorry about that. How about soothing classical music? For stocks? Hey, what's up, V-Man? How you doing? It's perfect. No music, certainly no rap music. We're doing business here. Billy Bud, if you don't like it, there's other streams, man. I'm sorry to tell you that, but this community likes to rock out and jam out. So just saying. Yeah, Amon, no crypto talking here. I know, I'm just saying, man. You know how it is. You know how these people are. They love their music in here. Oh, that's right. And Graylin loves when I sing, so gotta keep it, gotta keep gotta keep it going there. All right, so oh yeah, I forgot about AGRI. Jesus. See, and that's the problem. I get distracted. Yeah, I'm in AGRI. It's 420. I don't know how it bought me in that high. I could have sworn I bought in lower, but it is what it is. There's slippage. There's always slippage. It's called J-Rock. That's right. Speaking of, I should probably change it to something a little bit more. Okay, I see it now. I see where my mic's getting the volumes going there. Come on, AGRI. How about J? Rashamanov Meninov? How can you think with rap music? It must be a generational thing. Billy Bud, I can think with any kind of music. I can listen to country. I can listen to rap. I can listen to jazz. I can listen to everything. All right, come on, AGRI. Get over that volume weighted average price. Stop messing with me. Gen X music. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Come on, go. There you go. There you go. Volume's still doing good, guys. The volume's still doing good on AGRI. Pumped, took a break, dumped. Just needs to get above volume weighted average price. I'm taking it easy. My chest is hurting, so I'm trying not to get too excited. It does look like it's trying. Billy Budd. I am not a classical guy. I listen to it if I feel like just kind of closing my eyes and relaxing. But yeah, I don't. You can even ask me about certain like musicians. I might not know their name, but I know the music. All right, let's see what's looking good. Need something. AGRI is playing with our emotions. $76,000 there. 3,700,000 there. Okay. There's a lot of volume in this one candle here. That is a lot of fighting going on. All right, guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's see if the camera does this because it's supposed to do it. Let's see. Let's see, is it gonna do it? I don't know how to do it. This way, this way, this way back. This way. Is it too dark? Nope, too dark. Maybe this way. Let's see. Ah, there it is. That's funny. Ah, green heart. Yeah, baby. Let's go. All right. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. How's Mojo doing? Nah. FOXO. Nope. Continuously. Oh yeah, still dropping down. What did I tell you guys on that one, huh? What platform am I using? This is Weeble. This is Weeble. The way that I got it set up, it makes it nice and easy for you guys to see. IMG. Let's go. AGRI dropped all the way down to 52. How's BTOG doing? YHC pump and dump. Lots of pump and dumps. It's been pump and dump freaking city. This week has just been full of pump and dumps. Let's see if they'll get my thumbs up now. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go. Are you doing something as well? GNS had a share buyback. GNS, guys. GNS had a share buyback. It's only got 60 or 672, 73,000 shares so far. But I'd keep an eye on it. Free float's a little high, 80 million. I hate to say it, but AGRI crapped out. The volume's gone. You got 2,000 shares flying around. That's garbage. Hey, Cree got her man. Thanks, Cree. All right, let's see if GNS wants to do anything here. WLGS is about to be delisted. Okay. Thanks for letting us know. Y8C Digital Exploration or Expansion Initiative. Okay. GRI just hit that 350. All right. I think I'm done with AGRI. Yeah, she coming down. Yep. Let's cut it. Let's cut it. I'm out. Oh, I'm not out. She's dumping hard. Damn, she just cost me $100, I think. Yeah, she cost me about $80. AGRI. I'm out. Asshole. AGRI. What a piece of shit. Oh. What else do we have? What else can we get into here? Don't have too much powder left. I might want to save that for a little later, but am I on Discord? Davo, not yet. I am on Discord. I mean, I have Discord. I'm just not on it yet. I'm doing this on here for right now. They got me as well, Jay. Damn it, easy tweet. Shit. So many pump and dumps today, man. I'm telling you. I don't think it's done falling yet. I don't think it's going to stop at that 337. I think its next step is to get back down to 316. IMG just putting on a clinic. I love it. I love it. All price targets required on IMG. It's not done. I think it's got another leg up. 52 is what I'm thinking, but I haven't looked at it for a second. Yep. So do you see that? Do you see why it stopped where it did? Yeah, there it is. There's that first. See, I knew I remembered correctly. About 52 is its fair value gap. So let me mark that. It's right here. See this? Look at that. 51, 55 is where it starts. That's where it's probably going to go. Just saying. On here. Let's go ahead and mark. Look at it go. Look at it go, guys. Look at it go. That's fair value gap. Usually mark it purple. So hell yeah. Boom, 49.95. 49.95. You out of your mind? It's freaking rad. That's awesome. Look, look, right at it, right at it. It's right at it. Come on, man. Oh, there it is. IMG, I love you. I love you. Oh, stupid. Well, there's 50. Come on, man. All we got to do is get just a little more. Just get a little more. We got that very easy button. Come on. So how you guys liking this live stream? It was pretty different, pretty cool. Better than before. Better value. No, I got out of APRI. It took my money there, Black Box.
Once upon a time, I swore I had a heart. Long before the world I know tore it all
So nice to
apart.
actually be able
Once upon a time, there was a part of me I'd share. Years before they took away the part of me that cared. I've been 1,000 places and shook a million hands. Don't know where I'm going, but I know just where I've been. I've flown a million miles and I wrote so many more. Every day a castaway, a vagabond, battleborn.
Chewbacca can't hear anything. Music's too loud.
Once upon a time I had an open point of view. That was just so long ago before I had a clue. Was there ever time that I didn't stand?
Gotcha. Is that better? Perfect. Okay, cool. I see what was going on there. I see what was going on there. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know, guys. Yeah, when I switched to this screen, I forgot. I gotta change that. So, all right. I still gotta find something to get into here and make back some of that money. Right now, for the day, I'm down to 104 bucks because of AGRI taking my money on this last go round. TCPC earnings dividend announcement. TCPC. And it went down. All right. HTZ. Nice. So you got your volume right here, 272,000. You got your average 8.28 million. That's not even close. And it's a very high float. I'd be very careful. All right, let's keep on searching. All right, I got to get some more coffee. That's what I got to do. I got to get coffee. All right, look at IMG working its way back up. All right, let's take a look here. HTZ Hertz Global. So you got your fair value gap right here at 685. If it breaks that, you can have a nice little run up, 732-ish, maybe 770 on HTZ. Come on, IMG, let's go get up to that fair value gap up here. Come on. What's my price target on 52 on IMG? 52 is the price target. I am just not seeing a whole lot. And if it could break, if HTZ can break this fair value gap here at 684, 696, if it can get through that, I mean, you guys might get like 770. I think 770 is very feasible. Cool. Not much to trade this week pre-market. Yeah, Jason, it's been funky, man. Come on, IMG, let's go. It's the most you've ever made on one stock. Yeah, in one day, one go round, like 10 grand. But I also didn't have a crazy account either. At one point, the account was up there and was able to take money out and buy a bunch of shit with it. I bought a truck with it, so that was fun. Struggling to find a good one for today. Maybe just sit back today and research. Tony, there it is right there, guys. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh God, I love this. That is freaking is just amazing, guys. Amazing. Oh, here we go.
That was easy.
Ah, IMG. IMG is the good one for today. IMG is a good one for today for sure. That's freaking rad. So back in the day, how much did I start with? I think it was just a little over 2 grand. Hey, Billy Bud. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so now just be careful because I mean it reached it, right? But now where's it gonna go? Actually, let's go ahead and move this back here. Let's take that, go back to 1 minute. So it came close there. Came close 676 to this fair value gap here on HTZ. Again, once it breaks that, you might get a nice little run up to 770s. The float is pretty big on it though, so just be cautious. It could be double topping because of the fair value gap. Be careful on that. Let me take that off the screen here so you guys can see it now. And let me go back to the single screen so you can see IMG. I'm going to put IMG up here. Boom. So this right here is a little bit of a sign saying that it's going to turn around. So it'll probably come back down 49 cents on IMG. IMG is freaking rad. That's awesome. Let's see. Where else can it go? Where'd my music go? What the hell? A little bit of Volbeat. All right, so here we go. So there's your next fair value gap at 55. So that's your next fair value gap. And then you got one more at 59. But because of where you're at on the day, so it's 5:23 right now, you got to be careful. You got to be careful when we get closer to that 6 o'clock hour. A lot of this stuff's just going to start going the opposite direction on you. So, and it being a low float, it could flush pretty quick. It's already done 200 million shares. Jeez. Its average is 1 million. Like, how did I learn to trade? I learned to trade by putting the effort to doing it. Just it was a little different back in 2012. Learning how to trade. I paid for some guys to teach me how to trade, and they didn't. And I spent a lot of money, and then figured out like, hey, you can find a lot of stuff online. Yeah, and just kept going with it. Listen to books, Yes, I said listen to books because I don't like to I don't like to read books. I read enough charts and stuff. Um, but yeah, look at it go. Look at IMG making making moves. There's your fair value gaps. So if it gets there, just expect it either to reverse pretty hard, especially that 59. Oh man, my heart's bugging me. Crap. All right, guys. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share, and go subscribe on YouTube. And yeah, let's keep growing. I'll keep searching, and let's keep growing. Thank you. Look, I can add to it too. I'll add to it. I'll add to the hearts. There you go. A grown man making freaking hearts. That's ridiculous. I'm still looking. I just don't see much. Ugh. I'm tricking myself. I'm literally drinking decaf. So I'm tricking myself to make me think that I'm drinking caffeine. Yes. YHCC. Yes. It's been moving, yeah. There's YHC. A nice little double bottom there. And then the eruption. I'll go ahead and price this thing out a little bit here for you guys. It's 527. So it'll probably get up to about 230. All right. So there's your targets there on this one on YHC. Actually, let me check something else here before I go. And what a joke. Brandon Wanding, you're in the wrong room for that shit, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. You're in the wrong room. We don't tell people to buy, sell, or hold shit. Okay. Or short. I know, Samantha. That's what I'm trying to make it look like. So that's awesome that you said that. That's so cool. I went with the green because uh, as scalpers, you're kind of you're sniping. You're trying to you're trying to take out your enemy. um, in the oh man, my heart's bugging me. Jesus. You're trying to take out the enemy in the dark. So you got like night vision glasses or goggles or whatever you want to call them. You got specs, and we're bullish as fuck here. So that's why it's green. Yep. I'm still working on the whole aesthetic of this whole thing, but yeah, I like it. I'm liking it. What platform is this, brother? What's up, Romeo? This is Weeble. I just played with it and made it easier to read for you guys. Looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate you guys. All right, let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Yeah, AGRI sniped us. That's right. How long did it take you to learn to trade? I'm still learning. Every day is a learning experience with trading. The market shifts, the market changes, strategies have to change. Instead of looking for your bottoms, you're looking for your momentum scalps. Instead of scalping, 30, 40 cents, you're scalping 20 to, it's it it's a everyday changing thing. It really is. So you're constantly learning. And then not only that, but then um you've got your SEC filings. That's another thing. I got out of AGRI. I got out of it. It cost me about what, $60, I think. Let me see. What did I lose on that stupid thing? I lost $84 on it. I lost 84 bucks on it. And that is why I didn't get into that. Top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick. Maybe come down to here. Maybe 77. Now, just so you guys know, the reason I'm on the stream longer than I thought I was gonna be is because I'm still kind of getting used to everything. I'm trying to get comfortable with it because, believe it or not, I actually had anxiety to come on doing it this way because there's a lot more stuff instead of just turning on your phone, hitting the live button, and showing you guys screens. This is stressing me out, so that's probably why my chest hurts. It's funny trading stocks. Oh, look at that. And on YHC, you've got your double top. There's a top right here, and then this is another double top right here. So this is your double top. 1, 2. It's going to come down. Probably volume weighted average price. 168. Let's see. How are we doing? How's my predictions going? I love that. Isn't that great? That's so cool. All right, let's see. Hey, where'd my picture go? The shit. I dropped down a little bit. I got 73.98 out of 884 predictions. I got 654 of them correct. It's not bad. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Top looks good or bad? I'm just learning. Top looks are bad. It shows, so when you're looking at a candle, when it opens up and it starts moving like this, you start seeing this kind of action coming up like this. And then you just start seeing these top wicks getting longer and longer. That means that the bulls are trying to make it go up, but the bears are smacking them down. Like right here, they got smacked. They got smacked. They got smacked. Or should I say we got smacked? Because, we're bulls. We're bullish as fuck, baby. Let's go. Stupid AGRI. Ugh. Ugh. It's all right. I'm only down only down 104 bucks today. So I still have some money to play with, so that's good. Got about $1,000 left to throw around. Just got to find something to throw it at. So in this particular instance on Y8C, you're still bullish. Okay, don't get me wrong, you're not bearish yet. You're still bullish because it's still above this purple line, volume weighted average price. Okay. Yes, yes, I do. I've been sick, so it hasn't been very hasn't been going on there for a minute. Go to jrockstocks.com. I wonder if I could bring that up, just show you. For beginners, beginners need to know. Let's see. All right, let's see. Is it going to show? Nope, it's not showing. Okay. I got to set that screen up. Oh, I wonder if it'll show if I do the other one. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. All right. So here's jrockstocks.com. Okay, you can read the reviews. But what I want the new people to know about is the rules. Here's the rules. This is how you protect your wallet. All right, you know your platform. So you get on a platform and you practice. It's called paper trading. Webull has it. Thinkorswim has it. Thinkorswim is through Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab actually allows you to trade a lot less money than Webull does. So if you have like 20 bucks, like I recently did a $6 challenge where I took $6 and I got it up to just under $100 in 1 month. It's tough, believe me. That's not an easy thing to do. But if you can follow rules, then it should be pretty easy. So know your platform, practice first, trade last, start with small positions. So don't put so much money into a stock that when it turns around on you and it goes down a couple pennies, you start to freak out because you're losing a whole bunch of money. So yeah, this is how well Jay is doing. Just put a down payment on a building in the Bronx. Billy Bud. No, I didn't. Actually, I did just pay for what did I just pay for? I just bought something. Oh yeah, the $6,000 computer I'm on. Anyways, all right, Brandon. Hey bud. I hope you enjoy your time with whatever group you join, but you're blocked. There we go. Peace out, Brandon. Oh, you did. Oh, really? Well, congratulations, man. That's awesome. That is awesome. So yeah, so start off small positions. Don't get into something so you don't get emotional because as soon as you get emotional, you're screwed. And that's why I have a lot of problems with this is because I'm an emotional person. So let's go, Brandon. Yeah, he's gone. Brandon's gone. He decided to keep telling people to short, and that's not what we do here. So you can short. I just don't want people telling anybody to buy, sell, or hold anything. And Brandon, that Brandon knew that. So focus one trade at a time. Don't trade so many different stocks that you're lost. I mean, this morning I made a mistake on what was it on Foxo. I bought 2,000 extra shares when I was trying to sell 2,000 shares because I was paying attention to another trade. So follow these rules and you shouldn't go wrong. Honestly. Here's some links. Good idea to get yourself Webull. Webull's good. You refer friends to Webull, they give you free shares of shit. Get you some money. If you want to learn more about stocks, Dilution Tracker, that's a great one to learn as well. You go to this little referral link here, you click on that, it'll take you in here. I'm already in there, but you go to this learn, you go to learn, and look at, you can learn dilution impact flow chart in 5 minutes. You can go down here and you can go into understanding the SEC filings. That's another solid thing to learn. Here you go. Sorry, while I'm doing this, I'm still looking, seeing if there's anything that I want to alert or get into. So here's dilution tracker. What's a 4T4B4? Right? It's a final prospectus disclosure, disclosing offering details after pricing of IPO or S1. Yeah, so it's free information for you to use when you want. Okay. Characteristics of mega squeezes and how to anticipate them. It's a 15-minute read, you know? Yeah, I mean, for the most part. And then I do these lives. Um, you know, we're all here for one reason, and that reason is to make money, right? To trade and make money. If you want to know a little bit about me, you can go here. Go to the about. That's me. That's my wife, my kid, and my other kid. You can read about me if you want. Okay. If you want to know about the community, just read these reviews. These people are actually in here with you right now. So I'm pretty straight shooter there. But that's about that. And I told you about YHC, right? I told you the double top came down. It just did it again. Another double top came down to volume weighted average price. So yeah, there you go. So still right now, this is a bearish trend down, but this is a bullish trend. As long as it bounces off a volume weighted average price, you're good. If it breaks this, you're bad. It's gonna go. It'll probably come down to about 157 if it breaks this little purple line. You're gonna see me in every live from now on, asking 100 questions. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, so when I started, I paid a bunch of money to a guy that said he was going to teach me a bunch of stuff and he was going to answer my questions and things like that. Well, he didn't. He didn't answer my questions, and he didn't really. I mean, he didn't really do much. So I canceled. Another thing you get when you, if you subscribe, and that's on you, but you get the Discord access. And so on the Discord, here. Whoa, Jesus! Simmer down there. Simmer down there. On the Discord here, you get social chat alerts. Here's the alerts that I put out. So I have a spot where I put out alerts, and you guys have a spot where you can put out alerts. Here's gains, which I throw my gains in there. I throw my losses in there as well, which I will go ahead and do. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, Steve. Damn it. Steve got nailed by AGRI as well. Fuck. That fucking thing. You know, in here we have conversations. Here's that IMG alert that I put out at 4:55 on IMG, but this was already on the watch list, so you guys should have had that early. But pretty awesome. All right, so there's that. And it's cool because you guys can actually communicate with me whether I'm on TikTok or I'm not on TikTok. I was stressing out when that whole ban thing came out. That whole the thought process of not being able to talk to you guys anymore, or losing the community that I've started. This has only been around for a year. I've only been doing this with you guys for a year, so still pretty fresh. But the community grew pretty fast. And I mean, as long as we got Cree, keeping Coach JV out of here. We're all good. All right, let's keep searching here. So remember I told you it's still bullish if it can bounce off of the volume weighted average price. It's bouncing off the volume weighted average price. It looks like it's going to try to make a new run up because now it's doing looks like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Here's one shoulder, here's the head, and the other shoulder hopefully is right here. So hopefully that's what's going on there. We'll see. It's been a badass year. It's been a fun year. It's been a fun year. If I can keep my head on straight, we'll be all right. I do want to let you guys know that my mom's birthday is in 2 days. She would have been 71 years old, and it doesn't get easier. All right, here we go. Come on, push on through. Wow, it didn't even want to do the next shoulder. It just said, okay, screw it. I'm just gonna do a little double bottom fake out here and go. All right. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, the face cam thing's pretty cool because I want to let you guys know that I'm here. And also, I think it was a requirement by one of the for me to get the FTMP or whatever the hell that thing's called. Come on, break on through and you're gone. Let's go. Come on. Let's get that first target here. First target. Come on. Second target. Come on. And then third target was up here. So that was the game plan for this thing. Oh, man. Wow. Let's go. Come on. 95. You got more. Let's go. It's just fun to watch. Starting to get light outside. It's not good. Not good. What happened here with the restream? Are you guys still on YouTube or no? Or what's going on here? 2, 1, 20. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's still streaming. Sweet. There's still 4 people on YouTube. And there's 1 person on Facebook. That's pretty cool. I'm trying it out. I'm trying the Facebook thing out. I've been on Facebook for a while, so. And that stretch really hurt my head. Don't get old, guys. Don't get old. Still here. Cool. All right, so we're just watching YHC. So it is working on that that next shoulder. So you got one shoulder, the head. It's working on the next shoulder here. So let's go. Debating. I don't know. Let's see. Do I want to get in it? If I were to get in it, it would be that breakout right there. Hopefully there is a breakout. What does short squeeze mean? Good or bad? Well, it's good. Yeah, you're squeezing the shorts. The shorts are banking on the stock to go down. And as long as there's good volume and a lot of people buying into the stock goes up, starts raising the price, like this right here. Do I want to do it? So you can't short a stock. You can. I mean, let me hold my tongue there. You can short a stock. I personally I don't recommend shorting. I just don't. You can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do my best not to not to bag on you or anything or um shorting is I don't like shorting, but that's just me. Again, you guys do what you do. Um Sorry, got a headache. I stretched and it gave me a freaking bad headache. The way that I feel, and this is just me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you just for now, just real quick. I mean, that's just how I feel right there. You know, I mean, there's there's no two ways about it. I mean, come on. Oh man. Gosh. But hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button, and yeah, let's keep growing this community. All right. I think this is going to be a good thing. This is a great personally already with I mean right now it's stressful, but that's just cuz I'm in a different world right now with my health for some reason. But I think this is going to be a much better way of doing this with you guys, of going over stuff with you guys, clear. The Discord, obviously, with it, there you actually get to talk to me, and I don't have to read comments. I hate shorts and bears. There you go, black box. That's what I'm talking about. So, yeah, this is just going to be the addition of the computer that I purchased to be able to do this with you guys. It's a perfect addition to it, to getting this going. Um, so yeah, so I'm gonna do my best to keep giving you guys good information. Again, the watch lists have been fire. Yesterday's sucked. I wasn't happy with yesterday's, but I say sucked, but we still hit the first take profit on 3 out of the 5 stocks, and one of them hit all of them. So here we go. There it is. There it is. There she is. Come on. 203. Come on. Do we have 203? Here we go. Here we go. There's two. There's $2 right there. YHC. Come on. Let's go. Get that 203. So what you're looking here, you see the stack up? This is what I'm talking about. You see the stack up when there's a bunch of buyers that are countering the sellers, you'll start seeing the stock price go up. When there's more buyers than there is sellers, supply and demand says price should go up. So there you go. Come on, let's go. Let's get that one. Let's get that 203. That's that first price target there. Come on. There's 202. Almost.
That
There you
was
go.
easy.
Let's go. There's 203. First price target acquired. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So second price target here, we got 230. So let's see if it can get up to there. And remember, was I telling you? Wasn't I telling you head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern? Look what it did. There's your inverted head and shoulder pattern. It broke the neckline and it took off. I hope you guys are getting value out of just that. If you learn anything today, learn that there's certain patterns that actually work out. What's up, Santran? Good morning. What's up, Carlos? Oh my God, he's back. This guy is like a mosquito. He just won't stop. Coach JV's like a mosquito. Bzzz. Uh, you're blocked and muted. Thank you and fuck off. Come on, keep going, baby. Come on. 206. 206. You know, I gotta say, remember what that one guy said that was in here? That one guy said that you should short it. Remember? And then I kicked him out of the room because he was saying to short it. Yeah. Yep. Oh, this platform? This is called Weeble. And Anjum, I think we've told you like 3 or 4 times already. I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. It could have been somebody else. Come on, baby, go. Oh, I remember. Yeah, yeah. You said short it. And look what it did. It would have been great if you shorted it. You would have lost money. And now, God forbid that this company comes out with some amazing news or something, or there's some sort of a short squeeze, and then you're banking on it to go down, and it rips. Well, you're in the hole. You're in the hole. At least on the way down, you know what you're gonna lose. On the way up, you don't know what you're gonna lose if you're shorting it. That is infinite loss. And again, there's your top wick. You see those two big top wicks there? And just like I told you guys, I'd already told you, I said, okay, cool. Like this doesn't exactly make it bearish. Okay, this doesn't make it bearish. This is saying, okay, hey, look, the bulls pushed. Okay, now they're taking some profits. Now it's consolidating. Pushed again. Oh, taking some profits, consolidating again. But every time it comes back to this valuated average price. Okay, the VWAP. And then it pushed up again and then took a break again. Same, right back down to this purple line and back and forth. Once it breaks this purple line, that's when it's bearish. That's when I see it going the opposite direction. So, yeah. Come on, baby. Let's get that 230. There's 209. Man, this has been fun. This has been fun. I'm just so you guys know, I'm pushing through quite a bit right now. It's got a lot of tension in my chest. There you go, Doug. Doug Funny made some money. Nice. Come on, push. 212. Oh, Any questions? Anybody got anything? This being small float and news and volume, it will fly on market open. It it should, and I mean, small float isn't even the right way of saying it, man. This is a micro float. Anything under let's say 6 million, I'd call it a micro float. Well, technically under a million, but you know, we'll keep it fair. I got $2.07 in buying power. Make me rich, J-Rock. Fair value, Gary. Hey, just for you. Just for you. There you go. Rich with love. You're rich with love. Okay. J-Rock, I hope you are feeling better. It's always good to see. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's I'm taking my medicine. I've stopped drinking. Like, I mean, I'm sleeping. I'm really, really, really trying to figure this crap out because it sucks. It hurts. Can I pay bills with that? My insurance provider is asking. Pay bills with the hearts? Yes. Yes, you can. You can pay bills with love. Just depends on what kind of love you give and if you're good at it. Just saying. This is too much. Uh, Carlo is trying to learn. No worries, man. We got you. That's what this is geared for. Is trying to kind of get you ahead of the line and learn how to trade the correct way. There's multiple ways of learning how to trade. Learning the charts, basic stuff. Support and resistance is number one. Okay. That reading the SEC filings will help you a shitload. Like that'll help you a lot. But following rules and keeping your emotions in check, that's how you make money. The people that have been following me for a while, I know that yeah, with the blue pill. That's funny. Yeah. I know that you guys have you've seen me make money, you've seen me lose money. You've seen when I'm in a emotional state. You've seen you've seen me lose money. You've seen when everything's good, me make money like crazy. I'm approaching that time of the year that gets a little bit emotional for me, and then obviously my dog having cancer, my heart issues, all that crap. I'm emotional, so it's harder for me to keep my emotions in check when I'm trading. So the greed, the overthinking things or just jumping in and FOMOing, yeah, it gets you. Is it too late to hop on YHC? Um, the time that it is right now, 6:03, I would say yes. I would wait for a pullback to the volume weighted average price, and I'd wait for volume and a confirmation candle that this is going to move back up. For right now, I would say yes, it is too late for YHC. If you guys can, I would really appreciate it if you guys can go to YouTube and subscribe on there. I'm trying to grow that community as well. Still learning all this stuff with this streaming stuff. So we're waiting for YHC to get to 230. Let's see. Did I turn that down? Oh, I did. I turned the volume down on. Just curious if I can hear the music. Just curious if I can hear the music. Just curious. Nope. All right. But that's good. That's good. Let's see it break through this 212. Get that 220, 222, and then hit that 230. It should do just fine. Fucking AGRI. Ugh. All right. Let's see what else we got. I don't see anything really going nuts. It's because market's about to open, so. And again, if you have Weeble, if you guys have Weeble, this is a good thing to get. Let's see.
That was easy.
This is a good thing to look at. So this is my phone. This is Weeble. It's called the Stock Monitor. It's free. Doesn't cost you a thing. But look how easily it tells you if something's moving. You know, and then when you start seeing it pump over and over and over, that's how I caught FOXO this morning. You know, so you can watch this and you can see like, okay, well, what stock's moving? What do we got? So there's that. Fun stuff, huh? All right. Look at that. IMG has just been sitting there. It looks like the volume decided to kind of cease for a second. We might have an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. That could be its breakout spot right there. But because this is a fair value gap, I'd be very careful around that 51.50 on that one. And that's a double top there. Actually, that's a head and shoulders pattern right there. So shoulder, head, shoulder. So inverted is good. Regular like this is bad. This is saying it's going to go down. And the time being 6:08, it does look like it's going to go down. Looks like it's going to go down. That's pretty cool. You could also just keep an eye on this too. Look, so whoops. So it's trading in a channel. That's your channel. I like this TikTok thing. Yeah, TikTok's pretty cool. It's got a lot of issues with its moderation and the stuff that it allows and doesn't allow and gives me crap for. It's annoying. And that's why I said like, hey, if you guys enjoy this, you can get it on YouTube as well. Oh man, my head hurts. Oh, oh, there you go. I mean, if I didn't call it the way it is, I mean, I think I called it pretty accurately there just from the chart. But you see how easy that is? I mean, you can very easily see that it's coming back down to volume weighted average price. And look at that volume pump too. Jesus. 2 million shares. 2.3 million shares on this candle right here alone. Oh, I've got some heart issues. MD foul there. I uh I get what you're saying though. I've heard of that baking soda water. Yep. No, I was in the hospital last weekend. Just got out of the hospital not long ago. And yeah, I got some issues. Man, this laptop's freaking rad. This camera is even cool. It's like it moves by itself. It's a laptop camera inside the laptop. It's awesome. It zooms in too. Do you see that? That's great. Ah, where'd I go? Oh, there I am. Oh, wait. Oh, there I am. Don't get seasick. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. My bad. So right now, it being 6:11, I would probably chill. I probably wouldn't play with anything at this moment. I wouldn't get into anything. And then when market opens, I'd look and see there's going to be a lot of pullbacks because the money makers come in and uh and they basically control what's going to happen to the stock. They want to get in it at a lower price, they'll drop the price and then they'll get in it and then it'll shoot up. So if you guys did go onto YouTube, if you're on TikTok, if you could go to YouTube, it's Jrockstocks. It's the same thing, Jrockstocks. Go there and just write a comment, say hi. I'm looking at the comments right now, and I'm just monitoring it, seeing. I got the TikTok comments, I got those comments, I got messages on the website. It's fun. It's just a lot of stuff. Uncle's doing better. Like I said, he's the problem he had is he fell and then that set him back a little bit. IMG moving again. IMG boom. Thanks for asking, by the way. YHC is at its best entry for the day. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that. IMG's pushing nicely though. Yeah. Yeah, I think YMC is gonna dunk at market open. It'll probably get down to 150s. It'll probably get down to here, which I'll go ahead and I'll put a mark there just so you guys can see. I think that's where it's going to go down to. There you go. This is where I think it's heading. It's definitely made a, so this right here, what it just did is it did a bear flag. This is a bear flag. You got your long candle, and then you've got some consolidation right here. It's a bear flag. It could be the start of the stare down. So it does that, and then it dumps again, and then it hits, let's say, right about here, and then it does another little thing down. Like I said, if it can't, oh, you can't see. Oh, that's right. Ha ha ha. I'm on the wrong chart. There you go. There you go. I'm sorry. Thanks for letting me know. Shit. So there you go. So step down. So here you go. It broke down. It's at volume weighted average price now. Here's your bear flag. This is a bear flag right here. And then if it can't get past volume weighted average price, this 183, 180, if it can't break through that again, it'll come right back down. And it might stop again, like right around here, and then do another one down, probably just below this red line, which is 154. So let's see if it can go ahead and break through. Well, IMG's pushing. There's that 52. Come on, baby. Thank you, Melly Gucci. Fan in the fan club. Nice. Can I do became the number 8 fan in the fan club. All right, let's see. Remember, she's got to break through 83. She's got to get through 183. If she does this just a little bit and goes up just a little bit, that's not even close. It's called a fake out. Whew, I'm fading. Fading quick. Ooh. The best investment I've ever made. I gotta say. This laptop's insane. It's freaking rad. I came. I see. Thanks for the help with trading. Doug. Thank you, Doug, for coming in to YouTube and writing a comment for me like I asked. I appreciate that. That's awesome. All right, here's moment of truth for it. Is it gonna break through or is it just gonna stop right there? That's moment of truth. So you're watching the ask, you're watching the bid. Bids are starting to stack. So that's good. You need more than you have of the ask, which at this point it's failing. PALI. All right, there we go. Come on. Is it gonna do it? Engineering, what's up, dude? Guys, go say hello to engineering. Engineering. He's right here. Should have bought it a long time ago. Should have, could have, would have. It's okay though. It's all right. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet, please do so. Don't forget to do what the screen says to do. All right, jrockstocks.com. All right, so there's that. And then again, I have to, I just have to let the bears know, right? We got to let them know. We can't just, not let them know. This is what we're all about right here. Ah, yes. This one's cool. I really like this one. This is a good graphic. That's awesome. All right. But again, we just have to make sure they know this, you know. Oh gosh. Yeah, what did I tell you? What I say it had to do. And what did I say it's probably gonna do? Ooh, IMG. There we go. Come on, baby. Next target, 55.96. Let's go. IMG. Booyah. Right here. Do-do-do-do. Yeah. YHC is looking weak. YHC probably gonna come down. Those damn bears.
That was not easy.
That was easy.
Whoops, wrong button. After market open, what is the entry for IMG? Well, um, technically, that's really up to you there. Um, but I think IMG is probably going to do pretty good right at market open. It'll probably run up, like it'll probably hit 60. But then you got to be careful because it could dump. What? What did I? What did I see here? Let's see. Boy, I'm fading. Oh my god. Yeah, you got to be careful with IMG Chinese stuff. They're 8K from 16 hours ago. Let's see here. Oh, okay. All right. So IGM's subsidiary, Shanghai Huomao Cultural Development Company Ltd. launched a high-end Mai Tai style liquor, multi style liquor. I don't even know how to read that. But oh yeah, be careful with YHC. Be careful. She's looking sick. She's looking very unhealthy right now. But yeah, so they launched their their high-end liquor. It's now live on major Chinese e-commerce platforms. Um, they started a global brand expansion on IMG. Uh, Press release, future regulation. Da, 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 da. I'm fading quick. Jesus. Um, I don't see any. I don't see any dilution. I'm not seeing any of that with IMG. That's not to say that there isn't any. I'm missing it. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like I'm missing it. So, IMG, where to get in at? I honestly, I'd probably just wait until it comes back close to volume weighted average price, 42.94, something like that, or even down to this 41.02. Because once support's broken on the way down, it becomes resistance. If it can't get back over resistance, then you know it's not a good trade. All right, guys, market opens in about 5 minutes. So make sure that you guys are being very diligent with staying with your levels, your support and resistance. Make sure that you take your profits on the way up. You don't want to start chasing the stock down. That's how you lose more and more money, because that's when you get emotional. You know how they say don't run from bears, don't run from dogs, that kind of thing. The reason you're not supposed to run is because that gets your emotions out, and then you start doing stupid shit. And that's kind of the same thing here. You don't want to do stupid shit, so take profits on the way up, not down. Yep, PALI is at 156. It jumped from 149. But again, I would not mess around right now. The market's just about to open. Thank you, Nick. Yeah, I'm watching PALI too. I'm seeing it. I can't believe Joby missed on earnings. Right? Didn't Joby miss on earnings by like 20 cents or something like that? What's up, Stinky Pinky? How you doing, brother? All right, PALI 160, NRGV 130. Things are gonna get interesting. Curious to see what Y8C does. Let's see if my prediction's correct. Let's see. Let's see if my prediction's correct. I think it's going to come down to here. It's just my prediction. Man, that FVG, once it hit, boom. And look, you got a big cup and handle here, guys. Look at your 5-minute chart on an IMG 2 minutes before market opens. So here, check it out. Look at the 5-minute chart. You got yourself a pretty little cup and handle. Look at that. Pretty cup and handle. Be careful though. This could also be a double top. It's just disguised as a cup and handle. You just got to be careful. This is pretty awesome. This is working pretty good. And I like the fact that I can, like right now, I'm looking at it on my iPad and I'm seeing what you guys are seeing. So it's pretty cool. The colors are coming out pretty okay. Maybe I'll turn up the contrast on there just a little bit more and the sharpness. What's up, Adam? What happens off cup and handle? Cup and handle is usually a bullish pattern. So what you're looking for is it to break through this right here. This handle drops down. Typically it's like, I would have preferred that it stopped right here. If it stopped right here, that'd be better. It did break down more. This is a little more than I'd like on a cup and handle. So this might actually be turning into a double top. And I think that's what it's doing. Geez, look at that wall at 48. There's a wall, 40,000 shares at 48. And market is open, guys. There we go. So yeah, you're looking for a break of this. If it doesn't get it, it's gonna come down. All right, how is YHC doing? Here is YHC, just so you guys can see. Let's see. Let's see how it does. Let's see if my prediction was correct. If my prediction's correct, you guys are gonna get me to what, 200,000 likes? Oh boy. Let's see. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to push her down. Man, that is a lot of volume in there. Holy crap. I'm watching the level 2 and it's just stacked. So much volume in there. All right, you guys are gonna have to get me to 200,000 likes. I mean, we're approaching that red line there that I told you guys it was gonna drop down to.
That was not easy.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that thing. It hit 158. Come on, you know you're going. And I can't stand to see stuff like that. And that is why my accuracy is pretty high on Weeble on my predictions, because I'm usually pretty decent at it. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this live. This has been interesting. I hope you guys like my the stuff, the scene. I don't know. I'm still working on making it look good and cool and professional and fun. Great live. Thank you. I appreciate it. Here, look, I'm gonna do this again. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Can I move it sideways? Is it gonna do it over here too? Oh no. Oh no, it won't. Oh no. Oh no. I can give you a thumbs up. Maybe that'll work. There it is. Now I'm just having fun. I'm happy I'm on too, Cree. It's been a journey. And there it is. There's my red line. Man. All right. Well, called that accurately. So hopefully you guys took that and used it for your advantage there. But yeah, so here's your bear flag. This is your bear flag. Here's another one right here. This is gonna form another bear flag here. This is a 5 minute chart. So the 5 minutes we've been watching it here. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. That's what we've been watching. Now, can it come back from this? Sure. But I wouldn't really give it too much thought until it gets back over volume weighted average price, this purple line. Because I mean, it did a great job. It really did a great job respecting that line before it broke this channel. See, once it broke that channel, then it was like, okay, well, it's done. And that's just how you protect your money. So there it is. All right, guys. And once again, I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys made some money. If not, hope you learned something. God, my nose won't stop itching. Jeez. And again, do this if you haven't done it. If you guys don't mind, that'd be great. Thanks for watching. If you're hungry for more winnings, more winning plays, smash that like, hit the subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to stop bag holding and start winning. Because let's face it, I know a lot of you that have been following me. You guys, it happens to everybody. When they start something new, that you lose money. Okay, you might get lucky. You might get lucky and win a couple right off the bat. But you don't really know what you're doing yet. Then you finally start to figure it out and the market shifts. And now you got to figure it out again. And it gets frustrating. I get messages from people all the time. I'm frustrated. I'm losing money. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm losing money. Well, the rules are there for a reason. Take your small profits, and those small profits will grow, but you just got to follow rules and keep emotions out of it. Just watch the levels. Again, if you missed it on here, I totally told you what the levels were. I told you, hey, look, once it breaks this, it's going down. Okay, let's see what's IMG doing. Here's IMG. What did I tell you guys? It's coming down where? And look, it's under a volume weighted average price. Okay, it's not that, I knew that this was going to happen before because like, somebody told me. No, it's because I see the chart and I can tell you what the chart's doing. Sure, this looked like a cup and handle, but like I told you, it was going down too far. It went down too far and then it just completely broke down. Also, you've got the time, 6:30 or, market open. Um, it's a lot of stuff there, guys. Weird how the market has been open for 5 minutes and nothing is moving. Jason, yes, truth. All right, she's back over volume weighted average price. Now what's she going to do? So now's when all the halts can happen. So now this is a low float. It's already got 289 million shares traded for the day. Its average is 1 million. Like, that's huge. So if the price starts to move too fast, they'll halt it. So, all right, guys, I got to get going. I need a rest, one, and two, I got to start cleaning up shit. So, love you guys. Again, I'll do the hard thing. Why not? Do the hard thing. Such a dork. Peace. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.